Good day everyone, welcome back once again to my channel, The Great Check. And once again, this is Jerry. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix my fellow teacher's printer. So this is the printer of my fellow teacher, and it's Epson L3110. So she brought it here, and I'm gonna show you how to fix it. So before I will fix it, I have to show you first the problem. So I'll take the power cord and I will plug it this here, and of course we'll press the power button to turn this on. So the printer is powering on now, and you know guys, I'm wondering, when she gave this to me, she wants me to fix this, if why it has a problem wherein it has been on her for 2 weeks, and I don't know if how many times, or has she used this already, we don't know. But the problem is that this is the power button. I'll show you this first, and this is the photocopy, so the black and white photocopy, and this button is for the colored photocopy. So here, this part here, it has two lights here, so the ink light and also the paper light. But the problem here is, if it doesn't have a problem, it doesn't have a light here, it's not lighting. It should not be lighting here for the ink and even for the paper. But this ink light is on now, so that means it has a problem. But the question is, why it happens to have this? Because this indicator shows that the problem is about the ink. So how to fix this is what we are going to show you in this video. So this indicator, and this indicator is for ink. Why this problem occurs? It's because probably when I don't know if she has used this already, but if this ink light is lighting, that means this light indicates that there is a problem with the charging of the ink. So probably she filled the ink here. This is for cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. And if you see here, there of course the black is filled, it's full, the yellow is full, the magenta is halfway full, and the cyan is halfway full. But the question is why it happens. So I think it's because when she filled all the ink into its of course compartments, she forgot to charge the ink. Because what we should do, and this is the solution guys, we just have to press this button. This is the button for these two lights, and because this light is an indicator that it's for an ink problem, so the solution is this. We just have to press this for 5 seconds. Actually, we can see the instruction for this manual, or the Epson L3110 manual. There's an instruction in there on how to charge the ink. So after filling this up, then you should press this for 5 seconds to make it charging, and the charging will be completed. So I will press this, okay, for 5 seconds, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then let go. You see? So it's charging now, and the ink light indicator is blinking this time, and we'll have to wait for a minute or two until the charging is complete and the light is off. After if the light is stopped blinking, so that means it's completed, the charging is completed, or the charging is complete. Okay, so be sure that if you have this product, when even other model of Epson printer, if you have this problem, or you have to remember that you need to charge the printer after you're filling up the ink to its compartment for cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, and after that then charge it, so that the printer will charge it automatically. Then after charging, then you can use it. So still it's blinking, so it's not yet done, it is not yet complete. When the blinking, as what I said, is stop blinking, if it stops blinking, then it's successful and the charging of the ink is complete. And it is done. See that? So see, it's not blinking now. That means the charging of the ink is complete, so it's ready to use for printing now. So that's it, guys. So hopefully that this would help you if you also encounter this problem, so that you could also fix it. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Bye everyone. May God bless us all.